How's it going? I got the request to actually do a tour of the trailer, and I figured now's as good a time as any, since we're getting very close to taking off on our trip soon. So let's go on a quick tour. Okay, here we go. So first things first, I guess we'll show you the bed frame I made. It's completely my idea here. I've seen some cool store-bought items that would have worked probably just as well, if not better, but here's the idea. Basically, I built these 2x6, cut a little notch in them, and a notch up on the top. Real simple. These cedar 2x4s will lock right in just like that. And then, actually, let's get a little closer here. So they lock in just like that, so they're not going anywhere. And then what I have is the boards that go on top. These get locked to the wall just like that. Comes off. Slips in the little notches right over there to really solidify the whole process. Makes it nice and sturdy. And we've got a bed. Put an air mattress on top of this, and we have a full-size queen bed. Works awesome. Picked up this table out of an old pop-up camper that we purchased just for the pieces. That actually locks into the wall right there. Little legs. Can actually be freestanding, so we can take it out of the trailer whenever we need to. But it's perfect right here. With the bed being here, that acts as our second seat, because space is everything here. And we just got a fold-up chair right there. When the bikes are actually installed, did I say installed? I meant when the bikes are in the trailer. This bed obviously can't be in this position. So that's what the top notch is for. Just like that. And voila, bikes go underneath, bed's up on top. Put a little ladder in so that we can get up easy. But that's the idea. And then we've got the air conditioning unit that came out of that pop-up camper I mentioned before. It only works on 110 or 120. So we need to actually be plugged into shore power or a generator to get that running, but that's okay. It's a nice add. As you can see, I installed LED lights throughout the whole thing. They all run off of 12 volts. The 12 volt lights can actually be run off of a battery or a converter. I always forget which one it is. That we also snagged off of the pop-up trailer, and that is actually right underneath here. So it's a converter. It's an old one, but it still works. It's fine. A little switch on the right for changing from shore power to battery. What we've got is under the sink here, a little bit of a mess because we're starting to pack stuff in here. But what you can see right there is we've got one deep cell battery. I plan on having more, and they're actually going to go outside the trailer at some point, but for now they're underneath there. Got a little on-off kill switch right there. That allows us to tap into the battery. I also have a charger in there, so when we are plugged into shore power, it will actually charge up the battery. So as you can see right here, what we've got is the Reliance hydro roller water tank. It's really nice because it's on wheels and a handle, so it's really easy to pour around if I need to fill it up. For the most part, it just stays underneath there and gets strapped in, but that will actually supply us with water when we're on the road. Then we've got this little pull-out drawer I just installed. This actually gives us our switch to turn on the water pump and allow us to actually get water. A little bit of air in the lines, but you get the idea. And then I threw in this tray just for kitchen items. We got our drawers that we recently installed. I still need to put some handles in for them and things of that nature, but once again, you get the idea. Put that right there. Storage, just some odds and ends. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to be putting in there yet, but right now it's just the fire extinguisher and some other stuff. And then we just got some more storage. There's going to be some kitchen related items that go in here. I installed a little display. This actually will tell me the voltage of when I actually have the battery on. Tell me the voltage of the battery and whether it's being charged or not. We've got a old school cigarette lighter style power outlet and 2 USB. I also threw in a couple of outlets so we can have, coffee maker and other items, luxury items if we need to. Over here we've got our new cabinets I just installed. Right now they're basically just packed with the camping and sleeping related, stuff, air mattress, things of that nature. Down below we've got toiletry items. This whole area right here is actually the storage / bathroom. So we've got a little Reliance hassock style toilet. The cover actually will come off, and you've got a little toilet with a bag underneath there that you can do your thing in and then just yank it out and dispose of it. But here's the idea: is you come in and there'll be a curtain rod. I have to make it today. That's going to go from here over to here, and there'll be a curtain hanging on it, and you can just close it right up and have a little privacy. We also installed a ceiling fan because it got really hot in here, so this also runs off of the battery. Really nice. It has a thermostat on it, so it can kick on at certain temperatures and just suck the air in here right out. Since small trailer, waste no space, we made this piece that comes out. It's basically just held in by magnets, and then we've got storage and access to the lights and things of nature that go up there. Yeah, I'll install that back later. I have we just installed the window, so little window that we can actually open up, a little curtain for when we want a little bit of privacy, and around the whole thing here you'll see Velcro for one of those magnetic screen doors that you can just walk right through. Yeah, so I guess that would actually be it. I don't think there's anything else I can show you right now. Any questions? Don't hesitate to ask.